Which medical instrument is used to measure blood pressure? A sphygmomanometer measures arterial blood pressure by using an inflatable cuff to restrict blood flow and a mercury or mechanical manometer to measure the pressure. It is a fundamental tool in clinical medicine for diagnosing hypertension and monitoring cardiovascular health. What are the three types of blood vessels? The human circulatory system utilizes arteries to carry blood away from the heart, veins to return it, and capillaries for nutrient exchange. These three vessels form a closed loop that ensures efficient transport of oxygen and nutrients to all tissues. Trachea, epiglottis, and larynx are components of the respiratory system, not the circulatory system. Kidneys, ureters, and the bladder are organs that belong to the urinary or excretory system. Ureters, the urethra, and the bladder are also components of the excretory system involved in the transport and storage of urine. What is the function of the liver related to red blood cells? The liver, along with the spleen, acts as a site for the breakdown of aged or damaged red blood cells through phagocytosis by Kupffer cells. This process recycles iron and produces bilirubin as a byproduct for bile. Red blood cells are primarily produced in the red bone marrow of adults. B. While the liver filters blood for toxins, the specific term for removing old RBCs is destruction recycling rather than simple filtration. C. The spleen and blood vessels store blood, but the liver is not a primary storage organ for red blood cells. What substance do red blood cells carry to various parts of the body? Hirudinaria granulosa, the Indian cattle leech, is a sanguivorous parasite that primarily feeds on the blood of mammals and cold-blooded vertebrates. Birds are not typically listed as natural hosts for this specific species in standard biological texts. What is the pH range for human blood? The normal pH range for human blood is slightly basic, typically falling between 7.35 and 7.45. Maintaining this narrow range is critical for the proper functioning of enzymes and overall physiological stability. What happens to blood when an individual receives a mismatched blood group? Agglutination occurs when antibodies in the recipient's plasma react with antigens on the donor's red blood cells, causing them to clump together. This immune response can lead to life-threatening complications like hemolysis and organ failure during a transfusion. Blood volume does not increase, rather, the existing blood cells are destroyed by the immune system. While clotting is a physiological process for wound healing, the clumping in mismatched blood is specifically called agglutination. Blood does not become thinner, the clumping actually obstructs blood flow in small vessels. What is another name for red blood corpuscles? Red blood corpuscles are scientifically known as erythrocytes, a name derived from the Greek words for red and cell. Their primary function is to transport oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body using the protein hemoglobin. What is the supply of blood to the heart muscles called? Coronary circulation specifically refers to the network of blood vessels that supply oxygenated blood to the cardiac muscles. Blockages in these coronary arteries are the primary cause of myocardial infarction or heart attacks. Pulmonary circulation is the movement of blood between the heart and the lungs for oxygenation. Systemic circulation involves the transport of oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body's tissues. Renal circulation is the specialized blood flow to the kidneys for filtration and waste removal. Which fact surprised you the most? Comment below and subscribe to Goshen for more.